Okay, I laid all the ingredients out ahead of time. Frozen peas thawed. I'm doubling the recipe because this way I don't waste food, because I have a can of bean sprouts that I'm using and I want to use the whole can, so I'm doubling the recipe. Frozen peas thawed, the bean sprouts, sliced mushrooms with thinly sliced green onion, not quite thinly sliced, but I was using some frozen, and crumbled tofu, and then I'm using 6 cups of rice. So I will give you the recipe as is, and then I will be using this when I start cooking, so I have all this laid out. Let me go ahead and set up my camera for the cooking area. Trying to film with a Bob Love is a challenge and a half. Okay, high heat, and let's get the let's see if I can get this right here. Okay. The recipe says heat oil in a wok or large heavy skillet over high heat. That's going to be 2 teaspoons fragrant sesame oil. I actually have, because I'm doubling it, this is just regular sesame oil. It's going to have to do. Let me shake it up a bit, though. It's got some nice stuff in the bottom. Yeah. Okay, 2 teaspoons, because I'm doubling up. Okay. Set over high heat. Alright, let's move that over that way. Try to spread it around a bit. Yeah, I'm on the, I had my tooth pulled the other day, so I'm making some soft food recipes. This is kind of Japanese, Chinese. Let me see if it's, yeah, let's go ahead and, okay. Add mushrooms and saute for several minutes until slightly wilted. It's actually kind of slightly wilted. I use my frozen. That'll work. There we go. Yeah, I bought the mushrooms and I sliced them myself because the already sliced ones in the store didn't look too hot. And I took anything nasty off the mushrooms when I think I did anyway. Take that off. Alright. Okay, so we're going to saute them over for several minutes until slightly wilted. Okay. I'm looking at my clock here, though I can sort of judge it by. I made the rice, several days ago. It's cooked brown rice, so that's already ready. Oops. I'm actually at the point where I can start eating like a normal person, so I'm not going to go overboard to try to make this gooey or anything, you know. Pretty much just follow the recipe. Just a bit. This just looked like a delicious soft foods recipe that I thought would work well, since I'm kind of like, still sort of on a soft foods diet. So. Okay. Yeah, it's starting to get slightly wilted now. Okay, I think we're good. Let's go on to the next step. Yeah, that's good. Okay, next step. Add bean sprouts and cook for another minute. Throw this over this way. Cook for another minute. These are canned bean sprouts. They're kind of wilted already, so I don't think I need to cook them too long. So. I needed to use them up, so here's my chance, right? I have another fried rice recipe that I like better than this one that uses egg, the authentic Chinese, but this is okay for when you're dealing with dental stuff, you know. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and go on to the next step now. All right, add remaining ingredients except rice. Mixing well. Okay, that would be the tofu. Yeah, I crumbled this myself using a fork and a spoon. Crumbled tofu. Yeah. Throw this over here. And the peas. I thawed them. I forgot to take them out first thing, so I thawed these golden peas in the microwave. That'll work. Okay. Oh, that also means the soy sauce. Okay, so soy sauce is going to be 1 tablespoon. I remember a trick that my mother taught me about fried rice. She said sort of like swish the ingredients over this way. And let the soy sauce burn a little bit on the bottom of the pan. So let's try doing that. So how much soy sauce now? I'm going to use 2 tablespoons because I'm doubling the recipe. 1, 2. And this is reduced sodium. I actually don't like too much salt, so I'm going to follow the recipe there. Let's throw this over here. I'm going to kind of let the soy sauce kind of like on the bottom of the pan there. Just kind of film this with this blob is something, man, I'll tell you. Okay, so, alright. So we add all the mixing well. Let's go ahead and mix them well. This way. Looks like it's going to be interesting. The recipe is kind of like a blend of Japan and China. Okay, it's pretty mixed now. We'll go ahead and throw in the rice. Stir in the rice and heat through before serving. Go ahead and do this. Whoops. See what I mean? Okay. This is 6 cups of rice because I'm doubling up here. What I'll do with this is I'll probably end up freezing half of it since I'm only one person eating this. That way I'll have plenty of nice leftovers. Yeah, you can freeze fried rice. It freezes well. Yeah, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles that helped my husband beat Mike Queen Lizzo requested pizza. That's going to have to be on a day when it isn't necessary for me to eat soft food. Yeah. So right now I'm still kind of on a soft food diet. Let me get this. Let's go ahead and mix this all together. Should go easy so it doesn't go over the sides of the pan. Whoops. It looks like this is about as good as I'm going to get it. I'm using a bomb log, not the best way to film a cooking video. I think I better stick it where it was. That's about as good as I'm going to get. Okay. This looks interesting. Huh? Nice soft foods recipe, eh? Okay, I'm going to have to film this when I'm done, so. Let me turn it off for now, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done mixing everything and when I eat it. Let's see if I can turn this off. Okay, there is the finished product, and now I will taste it, and let you know how it is. Actually, I goofed. I wasn't supposed to cook it in the sesame oil. I was supposed to cook it in canola and peanut oil, but you know what? I bet it might taste better this way. Let me check it out. If anything, I'm saving on calories, right? Let me check it out. Not bad. Needs a little salt. I was supposed to cook it in canola or peanut oil, so I used less oil. But that's okay. I actually like the flavor of sesame oil. I actually like it. Now, I wonder, I actually think I made it better. Yeah. I love the taste of sesame oil. And I think using the canola oil first might have kind of drowned the flavor of the sesame oil. This is good. Need a little salt. I like it. I like the sesame flavor. I think I accidentally improved this recipe. I actually like it. You're not actually supposed to cook sesame oil on high heat, but yeah, you don't have to follow all the rules. Good. I like it. Okay, that's my verdict. In a world of secrets where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising.